Coming in hot. Drop it like it's hot.
So today I'm going to show you guys some ab workouts that I love to do. And when I mean your stomach will be on fire after this workout, it will be on fire. So first, of course, I'm going to do some wraparounds. And this one I saw on TikTok, so I wanted to try it. And it's okay. I feel a lot of muscles working out when I do this move. I don't know the name. I don't know the name of any of these workouts. Do not judge me. I say this all the time, every time I do these videos. And everything that you see that I'm doing will be 12 reps. Well, three sets of 12. Yeah, I'm not an expert on this. So whatever you do, if you're going to try these workouts, just make sure you do, like I said, 3 sets of 12. And the weights that I'm lifting, this kettlebell is 10 pounds. I feel like 10 pounds is appropriate for me. It's manageable. It's not too heavy and not too light. And like I said, use what's going to be manageable for you. If you need 5 pounds, don't let anyone make you feel bad. And I know my form is off. As you can see, I am struggling with this exercise. Yes, this exercise is so hard. Do not judge me. But I always say how my core and my upper body needs to be strengthened. I say this literally every video, so I'm a work in progress. And this exercise, oh my God, this crunch, whatever you want to call it, what I mean, I was struggling to complete my whole set. I was struggling. But if you cannot do it with the weight, you can do it without the weight. Anything will work. As long as you're eating healthy and you're moving your body, you will lose weight. That's it on my short tutorial on some ab workouts that will help you lose weight for summer.